Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of tasks, projects, and deadlines? Like you're trying to juggle a dozen flaming torches while riding a unicycle? Yeah, me too. And in today's chaotic world, staying organized isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a survival skill. We're bombarded with information, emails, notifications, and the constant pressure to be productive. But what if there was a tool, a digital sanctuary, where you could corral all that chaos and bring some much-needed order to your work life? A place where you could see the big picture, track progress, and collaborate seamlessly with your team? That's where Asana comes in. And if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, all right, sounds great, but how do I actually log into this thing? You're not alone. Navigating new software can feel like trying to decipher an ancient scroll. We've all been there, staring blankly at a login screen, wondering if we're missing something obvious. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of logging in, let's take a moment to understand why Asana has become such a powerhouse in the world of project management. Imagine a whiteboard, but digital, dynamic, and accessible from anywhere. A place where you can create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. Asana does all of that and more. It's not just a task list. It's a comprehensive project management platform that helps teams of all sizes stay aligned and focused. Whether you're a freelancer managing multiple clients, a small business owner coordinating projects, or a large corporation streamlining workflows, Asana can be a game changer. It's designed to break down complex projects into manageable chunks, fostering collaboration and transparency. By providing a central hub for communication and task management, Asana eliminates the need for endless email chains and scattered spreadsheets. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, logging in. It's simpler than you might think, but there are a few different ways to do it, depending on your setup. First, the most common way is through the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, and type in asana.com. You'll be greeted by the Asana homepage. Look for the Log In button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. This will take you to the Asana login page. Here, you'll see two primary options: logging in with your email and password or logging in with Google. If you created your Asana account using your email address, enter your email and password in the respective fields. Double-check for any typos, as even a small error can prevent you from logging in. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Log In button. If you signed up for Asana using your Google account, you can simply click the Continue with Google button. This will redirect you to your Google account login page. Select the Google account associated with your Asana account, and you'll be automatically logged in. This method streamlines the process, especially if you're already logged into your Google account. Now, let's talk about some potential hiccups. What if you've forgotten your password? Don't panic. On the login page, you'll find a Forgot Password link. Click on it, and Asana will prompt you to enter your email address. They'll then send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the steps in the email to create a new password, and one you'll be able to log in. Another common issue is encountering errors related to your browser or cookies. If you're having trouble logging in, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can often resolve login issues by removing any stored data that might be interfering with the login process. To do this, go to your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and look for options to clear cache and cookies. Sometimes you might encounter login problems due to browser extensions. Certain extensions can interfere with websites, including Asana. Try disabling any extensions you've recently installed or that you suspect might be causing the issue. If you can log in after disabling an extension, you've found the culprit. For those who use Asana on their mobile devices, logging in is just as straightforward. Download the Asana app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once installed, open the app, and you'll be presented with the login screen. You can log in using your email and password or your Google account, just like on the web version. If you're part of an organization that uses single sign-on (SSO), you might have a slightly different login process. SSO allows you to log into multiple applications using a single set of credentials. If your organization uses SSO with Asana, you'll likely be redirected to your organization's login page when you try to log in to Asana. Follow your organization's login instructions to access Asana. Now, once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Asana workspace. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your projects, tasks, and team members. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface. You can customize your workspace to fit your needs, creating projects, adding tasks, and inviting team members. Asana offers a wide range of features to help you manage your projects effectively. You can create different views, such as list, board, and calendar, to visualize your tasks in various ways. You can also use tags, custom fields, and filters to organize and prioritize your work. Collaboration is a key aspect of Asana. You can assign tasks to team members, leave comments, and attach files. Asana provides real-time updates, so everyone stays on the same page. You can also integrate Asana with other tools, such as Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox, to streamline your workflow. If you're new to Asana, consider exploring the Asana Guide and Asana Academy. These resources offer tutorials, tips, and best practices for using Asana effectively. You can also find numerous online communities and forums where you can ask questions and learn from other Asana users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.